Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Kashif and I'm an IELTS trainer. I teach IELTS online and offline. Today I'm going to talk about the paper pattern. I have talked about this already. There are some videos on my channel IELTS with Kashif, but today I'm going to talk in detail that what sort of questions come and how they come. Let me tell you, the portal I suggest to the students is right in front of you, which is engnovate.com. You can call it engnovate.com. It's a free portal where you can practice IELTS as much as you can. They won't ask you for money except the writing module. Somewhat they ask for money to check it, but you can make it check from AI as well, chat gpt or Google Gemini. But you can do the practice of reading and listening very unlimited. You don't need to pay anything on that portal. I'm going to talk about the reading module today. I'll make a separate video for the listening, that what type of answers and how they come. I have already mentioned without portal that there are 4 to 5 types of questions which come into IELTS reading. Let me go through the whole reading test, that is book 20. They have uploaded book 20 on the portal, and let me repeat the whole test. Let me go through the test so that you have an idea. You can take paper and pen with you and you can note down the questions, number of questions, how many number of questions and which type of questions come into that test, so that you can prepare well. First of all, you can see there is a test over there, and I have taken the whole test. If I go back here, see, I leave the window, and you can see over there is Innovate in IELTS Reading, free online reading test collection, and we'll go Cambridge IELTS 20 academic reading test 1. We'll take the test. The timer is here and you can start. uh, One thing, let me tell you, your uh, actual IELTS test will almost exactly the same as a test here on portal Innovate. You will have a passage on your left side and you will have the questions on your right side. You can scroll the questions by putting the mouse on your right side of the screen like this, and you'll see the questions like from 1 to 13, right? 1 to 13. And here you can scroll down and you'll see the whole passage 1. So one passage, 13 questions, right? We'll go toward the second passage, and then question number 14 to 26. So 13 questions. And then the part 3, third passage, there you can scroll the passage, and there are the questions 27 to 40 questions. So during the test you can switch back from one section to two section and to three sections. But obviously when you'll start doing the reading test on the portal, in your actual test you won't have a single moment to move right and left. Obviously you'll finish the first passage, then you'll go towards the second passage, and you'll then move towards the third passage. And the recommended strategy is the same, because first passage is easy, second is a little difficult, and third is uh, difficult, the most difficult section of the reading test, right? So I would recommend you first do the section 1 first, right? So see, first section, which is almost the same exactly, which is very easy, you should do in 15 minutes, and these are true false and filling the blanks. See, question number 1 to 6 is a true false, right? And question number 7 to 13 is a filling the blanks section. Here I would like to tell you one thing. You can make notes on your paper if you have in your hand. Like, first of all, see, true false questions are 1 to 6 question, and fill in the blanks are 7, 6 true false and 7 filling the blanks. That can be 7 true false or 6 filling the blanks. Sometimes it happen, it's like 9 to 10 filling the blanks, or 3 true false, 3 to 4, right? That is the first section, which is exactly coming the same way in the actual test. So you have, I hope you have noted down the number of questions like true, false 6 and filling the blank 7. We'll go towards the second section. 14 to 8, reading passage 7, paragraph A to G. Which section contains the following information? That is called matching heading or matching information. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That are 5 questions. Matching information, 5 questions that always come in the test. Sometimes list of heading comes, sometimes this matching heading comes. So these 5 questions matching heading, in which you'll have to read a paragraph, this one, and see where which heading matches to that paragraph. So you won't pick up the heading and go to the paragraph and search where it is. The matter is, read the passage paragraph A and find which statement matches. Then there may be no statement which is matching. Remember, this shows you may use any letter more than once. I'll make different videos on how to attempt different kind of activities. First, I'll go through the paper pattern. These are 5 matching information. And remember, this question, list of people or list of researcher, whatever you call it, that normally comes after matching information paper. 19 to 23, 21 to 3, 5 questions. So 5 matching information and 5 list of people that normally comes together. It happens sometimes that that doesn't come here, but I have seen many times that where matching heading comes, their list of people also come with it, and that is beneficial because in this question you must have gone through the paragraphs and solved these questions, and after that, obviously during reading you need to highlight these scientists for people, and whenever you come to this question, obviously you must have highlighted it before, and it would be easy for you to find the answers of that list of people. And see, the last 23 questions are filling the blanks. So 7 filling the blanks for in first section and 3 are in second section, right? And rest of the 5 matching information and 5 list of people. So we'll go move towards the section 3 now. Section 3, 27 to 30, 4 questions, multiple choice questions. See, 3, 4, 5, that can be MCQs. 4 multiple choice question, right? 27 to 30. And there you come, 31 to 35. Again, complete the sentences with the correct ending. Kind of matching heading, but it's very easy, not very difficult. Complete each sentence with the correct heading. Made them feel optimistic. Who made them feel optimistic? That must be in pattern. We'll have to find over there. I'll make a separate video for that. Correct ending, how many questions? 5 questions. Correct ending, 5 questions. And again you'll see downwards, 36 to 40, true false, 5 true false. So that was the whole paper pattern. And let me tell you one thing, in this whole test there were 11 true false, 10 fill in the blanks, 5 matching information, 5 list of people, 4 MCQs, and 5 correct ending. Total 40 questions. And if you calculate it, if you analyze it, there were total 21 filling the blanks plus true false. That's always I tell my students that 50% of your paper consists of fill in the blanks and true false. You need to grip on these 2 modules, fill in the blanks and true false. I have already made a video on how to attempt true false. I'll also make a video on how to attempt to fill in the blanks. If you have a grip on those 2 activities, you definitely, no one can get you below 6 bands. Remember it. When you have a good grip on these 2 modules, you will always score more than 23, 4, 5. So that is almost 6 bands. So that was a whole paper pattern, and you'll have to do it in 60 minutes, 20 minutes for each passage, but we recommend you spend 15 minutes on first passage, 20 minutes on second passage, and 25 minutes on third passage. As your concentration lacks down, comes down when you come to third passage. So you do it quickly in first passage in 15 minutes, then you spend 20 minutes on second passage, and then you can spend 25, you will have extra 5 minutes to spend on to focus on section 3. We have many students who have got like 9 band in reading. They were like normally A levels or O levels, but mostly we have many 8 bands in reading and 7 band in reading. There are less people, less trainers, less instructor, less teachers who focus on teaching reading, who focus much on reading, because people don't do reading and students are stuck in reading. Reading is the toughest module in IELTS and we do it first. If you follow my instruction, if you watch my videos regarding reading, I am definitely sure you can score above 6 or 6.5 in reading. That would not be much difficult for you. That is it for this video. I'll come with the next video with some activity. Till then, take care of yourself and make sure you keep watching the videos on IELTS with Kashif. And you can ask any question, you can comment on my video. I can make on video whatever the topic you suggest regarding IELTS. I can do the activity, I can perform the activity, and I'll make a video and I'll upload it on my channel so that you can be benefit. All right. Thank you very much and remember me in your prayers.